December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. So the car used to have a big wing. Unfortunately, due to TF regulations, it had to be taken off, so this is sad. But something on the front is actually very cool, which is less sad. It has a V6 3.2 swap in it. Traditionally wise, I guess it was a 2-liter turbo.
Yes.
Yeah, so 220 horsepower I think they were rated at.
I think 180.
180, yeah. Wow. I think later R versions might have had that. Regardless, it has now, what's the power now?
I'm told it should be about 260 because they're 250 standards, and then it's got a better filter, exhausts, and spark plugs.
Yeah.
So if there's a difference, it's minor.
Minor. But yeah, a lot more emotion. Also tiny bit more front weight because you don't have the turbo, but you have 2 extra cylinders you're carrying with. And it's also all-wheel drive actually, which is nice. Also adds a bit to the understeer, but overall was actually quite alright, quite okay, quite nice. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Tires and brake mods. So it seems like it has a bit bigger caliper than the stock Scirocco.
Yes, so Scirocco R caliper, and then EBC yellow stuff pads.
Yellow stuff pads. We are on the Accelera tires, semi-slicks. Did alright. Not the grippiest tire out there, but still good, okay, as you will see in a bit. It's also a manual, and for me probably the best mod, because for me driving position is everything. It has an extended steering wheel with adapter, and that makes driving so good because you can have the steering wheel close to you while being a bit further back with the pedals, etc, etc. So overall, really enjoyed driving this car, and it was very emotional, just like every R32, you could say. Lots of noise, maybe not as much top speed, but that's not necessarily what it's all about, right? You just need to also enjoy the Nürburgring sometimes. So anyway, thank you very much for making it happen, for the invite.
Thank you for driving it,
yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Hope you had fun.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, and you guys enjoy the lap. Alright.
Good luck.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Okay, we're on the track. TC is by definition off because it has all-wheel drive, which it shouldn't have. So let's have some fun. Yep. 2021 racing season, I think. Oh, good to see it's still running strong. Even though it's very nice in this car.
Oh, that's cool.
So far, I like it.
because it'll stop me spending money on the car, because I've now got a time that I want to get it down to before I do anything with the power.
Yeah.
My mechanic's pestering me to turbo it, which I might, but not yet.
Yeah, it can use a bit of more.
Yeah, you notice it this next mile or so.
temperature is obviously a thing.
Yes.
Tires could be a bit grippier with the more aggressive setup, but you have a big lump of weight on the front compared to the stock engine.
Yeah, that's
so that's something you. But it's the emotion that you cannot replace, and it's amazing. So it's something unique. So I liked it, and it works. You know, brakes didn't die or anything. It's like the oil did get a little bit.
Oil's
hot.
a bit warm, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm glad you like it though.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. Yeah. So oil cooler and radiator upgrade next.
Yep, seems like it.
But it's dropping nicely, so
yeah, that's good.
all is good.